you have a cough, it's been going on for a long time, and you've been going to the doctor keeps prescribing you medication and it's not working. Finally, you go to a new doctor and that doctor tells you, you have cancer. Hi, my name is Nicholas Warywoda and I'm at the law office of Parker Waichman. Let me tell you a little bit about a case that I handled involving a woman who kept going to her doctor, complaining about a consistent and constant cough that she had, and the doctor kept prescribing her medication and it wasn't working. She then goes to a different doctor who sends her for tests, and those tests come back and that doctor gives her the horrible news that she's been diagnosed with cancer. Well, that woman came to us after that and we obtained her medical records and had those records reviewed by an expert physician who told us that that first doctor should have sent her for the test earlier, and if that was done, she would have been diagnosed with cancer earlier. Now, why is that important? Well, one thing about cancer is the sooner that the cancer is diagnosed, the better it is in terms of the treatment options and the chance of curing that cancer. So, as a result of the delay in the diagnosis, unfortunately, my client was what's called stage 4, which is the most serious stage of cancer. And although the doctors did try giving her treatment, unfortunately it wasn't successful and she eventually ended up passing away due to the cancer. Now, what we did is we continued the lawsuit against the doctor who failed to diagnose her with the cancer on behalf of her family. And we sought damages for the pain and suffering and for the lost earnings that she had because she wasn't able to go to work. And what we also did is, by law, we were entitled to bring a cause of action on behalf of her children for what's called loss of guidance. Because unfortunately at the time, she had infant children, children under the age of 18, who now are left without their mother and the guidance that a mother can only give to the children. If you have been diagnosed with cancer and you feel that a doctor may have screwed up, give us a call and we'll be happy to answer all your questions and investigate to see if there's something we can do for you. So pick up the phone and call me at 800-800-9797 and I will be happy to talk to you. Again, my name is Nicholas Warywoda. I'm with the law office of Parker Waichman. Thank you for watching.